Hi everyone, it's Phil Jones from Projector Reviews, and we're here to talk about a new Epson projector. If you're thinking about replacing your flat panel TV with a larger, more immersive image that can be provided by an ultra short throw projector, the Epson Lifestudio Grand Plus, which is also known as the LS970, is definitely a model you should consider. This unit is priced at $3,799 and delivers up to 4,000 lumens of brightness. It also includes a built-in Bose sound system and something completely new for this category, Google TV powered by Gemini AI. In this video sponsored by Epson, I'm going to walk you through what makes this projector different and also cover how it performs based on my measurements and what it was like to live with this model from day to day. The Epson Lifestudio Grand Plus is a 4K ultra short throw projector designed primarily for living rooms and entertainment spaces. Because it is an ultra short throw projector, it can just sit inches from the wall and still produce a massive image, in fact up to like 150 inches. When combined with a ceiling light rejecting screen, the Lifestudio Grand Plus can be utilized as your main display in a living room, a den, or an entertainment space, even during the day. So let's talk about what makes this projector unique. There's three things that define the Lifestudio Grand Plus. And the first thing is its brightness. This is one of the brightest ultra short throw projectors in its class. It has a rated brightness of 4,000 lumens for both white and color brightness. Second, it utilizes 3 LCD technology, which means it uses 3 native 1080p LCD panels combined with pixel shifting to deliver a full 8.3 million pixels on screen, so you get all of the detail contained in a 4K image. Since this projector also does not rely on a color wheel like most DLP projectors, not only do you get equal color brightness, you also avoid those annoying rainbow artifacts. Last but not least, and most important, is this unit utilizes a new smart platform. This is the first projector, let alone the first display, that I have used that is equipped with Gemini for Google TV. And it fundamentally changes how you interact with the system. Most smart projectors and even most smart TVs utilize a traditional smart menu system where you scroll, search, and launch apps. Gemini changes that completely. Instead of typing and navigating, you just ask for what you're looking for in a conversational way. For example, you can ask for a family-friendly action film that's similar to something you've already watched, and the system will pull results across multiple platforms. You can even ask it for movies made by the same director, and it will show you options as well. The unit understands context, not just keywords. So in practice, it makes content discovery faster and honestly more natural. It also turns the projector into more than just a display. You can ask questions, you can explore topics, you can even get visual explanations projected on up to a 150-inch screen. We just updated our review sample from Google TV to Gemini for Google TV, and in an upcoming video, we will show you the functionality differences and the benefits of Gemini over other smart TV solutions. For example, Android TV, which is found on the previous version of this projector called the LS970. If you look at the Lifestudio Grand Plus, it looks nearly identical to the Epic Vision Ultra LS970 and the QS100, which we have reviewed in the past. The unit measures about 27 inches wide, about 6 inches high, and about 13 inches deep, and weighs about 27 pounds. And it can easily fit on any entertainment center. It is available in both black and white. The unit's connections are located on one side under a removable panel, and it has 3 HDMI inputs. 2 of those inputs actually support 4K at 120 Hertz, and the third supports 4K 60. One of the HDMI inputs also supports eARC, enabling high-quality audio to be sent to an external sound system. The projector also supports auto low latency mode, making it easy to switch into low latency gaming mode automatically. It also includes an ambient light sensor and a safety sensor on the top to automatically reduce the brightness in case something gets too close to the lens. To utilize this projector with a 120-inch screen, you have to place the projector roughly between 8 to 9 inches from the screen. That is one of the shortest throw distances in the category. Focus can be adjusted using a lever on the side of the unit next to the connections. This adjustability ensures edge-to-edge focus regardless of the screen size you're using. So I had a couple of weeks to play with this unit, so let's talk about picture quality. Out of the box, the color performance was solid. The most accurate picture modes were natural and cinema. And I spent most of my time in the natural mode. The main difference between the two modes is the amount of picture enhancements that are being utilized. Natural has most of them switched off, while cinema has some of them turned on. But color temperature wise, they're about the same. Before calibration, the color temperature was a little cool and our measurements showed a slight green bias, which could be visible in some skin tones and in some content. One of the big improvements over the older LS800 is that the new Lifestudio Grand Plus now includes full calibration controls, including gamma, grayscale, and CMS, which makes a big difference if you want to fine-tune the image. After calibration, I was able to get the grayscale delta error down to around 2 and the color tracking down to about 1. That's excellent performance, and any further improvement is essentially invisible to the human eye. I have found that colors displayed on a 3-chip display, such as the Lifestudio Grand Plus, seem more natural than how they look on most single-chip DLP projectors. So the colors were not only accurate, but they were also lifelike. Brightness is where this projector really stands out. The Lifestudio Grand has a rated brightness of 4,000 lumens. In the dynamic mode, we measured 4,081 lumens, which is actually higher than the unit's rated brightness. Even the most accurate picture modes in the projector are still bright. In my testing, I measured nearly 3,400 lumens in the movie mode and 3,100 lumens in the natural mode, which is far brighter than many projectors that have a rated brightness of 5,000 can deliver from their accurate picture modes. Unlike many projectors that have a high brightness mode, which looks green and washed out and is only there for marketing purposes to get a high brightness rating, all of the modes on this projector are actually watchable. The Lifestudio Grand Plus is one of the brightest ultra short throw projectors on the market. And also, thanks to its 3 LCD imaging system, the unit can deliver an equal amount of color and white brightness. So colors appear brighter and more vibrant than most DLP projectors that have even higher rated brightnesses. This means you can watch sports, TV shows, and movies in rooms with ambient light and still get a punchy, vibrant image. The unit's HDR performance is also strong, largely due to the unit's brightness combined with effective HDR tone mapping. Higher brightnesses also reduce the need for aggressive tone mapping, which helps preserve highlight details while still delivering an image that's closer to the creator's intent. The projector supports HDR10 and HLG, and it includes dynamic tone mapping. The unit's blue laser phosphor light source can reproduce about 85% of the DCI P3 color gamut. Yes, while this is not as wide as a triple laser DLP projector, when it comes to real-world viewing, the higher brightness, especially higher color brightness, often matters more than a wider color gamut. When it comes to black levels, the black levels were good, but not exceptional. We measured a native contrast of about 1,500 to 1, which is about the same as a good DLP projector. When you engage the dynamic laser dimming, the perceived contrast does improve significantly. However, in a dark room, you'll still notice that the blacks lean more towards dark gray. Yes, I have reviewed ultra short throw projectors that can deliver deeper blacks. For example, the Nexago Aurora Pro Mark II. But in environments where this projector is designed for, like living rooms and media rooms with ambient light, the black level is more than enough to deliver an excellent looking picture. In those conditions, by the way, brightness actually contributes more to perceived contrast than deeper black levels. Gaming performance is another area where Epson has made major improvements in the Lifestudio Grand Plus. The projector supports 4K at 120 Hz and includes auto low latency mode. I measured an input lag of around 21 milliseconds at 1080p at 120 Hz, which is responsive enough for casual gaming and even some competitive play. The unit also has a good built-in audio system. It is a 2.1 channel Sound by Bose solution, and it delivers noticeably better bass and better overall sound than most integrated projector speaker solutions. For everyday use, whether it's watching TV shows, sports, and streaming, it is more than adequate. That being said, if you're building a full-blown home theater system, you may still want to utilize the eARC HDMI output to connect the projector to an external audio system. The Lifestudio Grand Plus is a great option for someone looking to replace their large smart TV with an even more immersive picture. It has all the features you would expect on a smart TV. It turns on quickly, it's easy to navigate, and everything is integrated, from streaming to audio. The addition of Gemini makes the projector feel more like a central entertainment hub than just a display. Not only can it deliver a much larger image than a flat panel television, when paired with a retractable screen, the system basically disappears when it's not in use. The Lifestudio Grand Plus offers high brightness, strong color performance, excellent HDR playback, strong gaming capabilities, and one of the most advanced smart platforms currently available on any TV or any display on the market. If your goal is to replace your TV with something larger and more immersive, the Lifestudio Grand Plus is a great solution for you. If you want to see the full written review of the Lifestudio Grand Plus, which includes our measurements and detailed comparisons, check out our article on projectorreviews.com. And of course, if you want to learn more about Epson's lineup of projectors, check out epson.com as well. So take care, everyone, and I will talk to you soon.